Hello friends! The determination of the thickness of textile products. The vertical distance between the reference plate and the presser foot is measured as the thickness of the fabric. To do this, the digital thickness device and the presser foot are used. The presser foot varies as 20 square centimeters, 10 square centimeters, and 5 square centimeters depending on the type of sample. As the presser foot we'll use now is 20 square centimeters, we will prepare it as 7 by 7 square centimeters. Before preparing the test specimen, the sample is conditioned under standard atmospheric conditions for 24 hours. The conditioned test sample is spread on a flat surface. The spread sample is marked at least 150 centimeters from inside the sample. Samples must be taken from areas that are not wrinkled. It should be taken in a way that it includes different warp and weft yarns. The marked selvage of the specimen is cut. Five pieces of samples from different parts of the specimen are prepared in this way. We measure the thickness of a test specimen by putting it on the reference plate of the digital gauge. We measure the thickness of the fabric in millimeters by exerting a 1 kilopascal pressure on it in the digital gauge device. A presser foot with an area of 20 square centimeters, a reference plate that serves as precision balance is used to do this. To make the presser foot with an area of 20 square centimeters, exert 1 kilopascal pressure on the sample. 200 grams are exerted. Therefore, this value is entered on the computer. The presser foot value is set to 200 grams. The weight of the reference plate, which serves as scales, is reset on the computer screen. After resetting, the pressure foot is lowered on the reference plate slowly. When we see on the screen that a weight of 200 grams has been exerted on the reference plate, the presser foot is lifted. Then the specimen is placed on the reference plate. The presser foot is set to descend on the reference plate again. First, the scales are reset on the computer screen. We lower the presser foot on the sample initially fast and then slowly. We see the thickness of the sample on the screen when 200 grams in weight are applied on the sample. We do not accept the result because the value is 200.2. We accept the result that appears when 200 grams are exerted. We lift the presser foot from the sample again. A different sample is placed on the reference plate and scales are reset. We first lower the presser foot on the sample at a fast speed and then slowly. When 200 grams in weight are applied to the foot, or when 1 kilopascal pressure is applied, the thickness is automatically given on the screen. When the presser foot exerts 200 grams on the sample, the thickness appears on the screen as 0.1 to 0.61. The measurement unit here is millimeters. 5 samples are tested in this way, and the arithmetic mean of results is given as the test result.